stop eating your stuff.
When does Asian Santa arrive? Just know you have rights.
Ho, ho, ho. What's your name?
Brittany, you've gotten really fair.
That's because at the North Pole there's a hole in the ozone.
You're amazing. I know you're really busy, so I only want one thing for Christmas. Do you see my boyfriend over there for Christmas? I want him to be able to walk. You can do that, can't you, Santa?
Sure. I'm on it.
Thank you so much, Santa.
Now we're screwed.
Now remember, it has to be lush and romantic.
Why?
Because I'm very specific when I give a gift. I don't know how many kittens I've given away because they haven't been just right. So, do you like my winter wonderland?
Well, I don't really like artificial Christmas trees. I like real ones. They smell amazing. That's kind of the whole point.
Right.